I am here to make OBGY easy with fun mnemonics, and today's topic is fetal skull, which most of the students found difficult. What is the importance of suture and fontanelle? It helps in molding, assess hydration status. For example, anterior fontanelle. Anterior fontanelle is depressed in case of dehydration and it bulges in case of raised intracranial tension. It also helps to accommodate the growing brain. Then, what is the importance of anterior fontanelle? There are two types of fontanelle, anterior fontanelle and posterior fontanelle. In between the anterior and posterior fontanelle, there is a vertex presentation. These terminologies are very important to understand the fetal diameters of the fetal skull. Behind the occipital protuberance there is a sub-occipito region, and in front of the anterior fontanelle there is a sinciput. One more important structure is mentum. Behind the mentum there is a sub-mentum region. Then one second please. What is presenting part? The part which is first felt on the vaginal examination. It may either be vertex presentation, it may either be brow presentation, or it may either be face presentation. Vertex is present in between the anterior and posterior fontanelle, and the brow is present in between the supraorbital ridge and anterior fontanelle, and face is present in between the supraorbital region and mentum. Then there are some mnemonics which helps you to understand and which helps you to remember the numbers, which is important to understand the fetal skull diameter. For the transverse diameter, there is mnemonic is Miss Tina, so pretty. So Miss Tina, so pretty. M meaning bimastoid diameter, T meaning bitemporal diameter, so meaning subparietal diameter, and P for pretty, which is helps to remember you biparietal diameter. It is 7.5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter, and 9.5 centimeter. Then in the fetal skull, the largest diameter you have to remember is mento-vertical diameter, which presenting you the brow presentation, and it is the 14 centimeter. And whenever there is a brow presentation, you have to do cesarean section. It is very important to have to do the cesarean section. Whenever there is a bregma comes in your diameter, then there is either it may be a sub-occipito-Bregmatic diameter, or it may be a sub-mento-Bregmatic diameter. It always represent 9.5 centimeter. These two are the golden rules you have to remember. For the brow presentation, it is a largest diameter, which is 14 centimeter, and whenever there is a bregma come, it meaning there which is it is of the 9.5 centimeter. Then there are some more mnemonics which you have to be remembered. Flexion. Whenever the word flexion comes, it basically represents the vertex presentation. Either it will be a complete flexion or either it will be a incomplete flexion. Whenever there is a face presentation, in the name itself, face meaning CE represent the complete extension. Then whenever the extension word comes, it means the face presentation, and whenever there is a flexion word come, it meaning the vertex presentation. Then complete meaning in Hindi is a pura meaning sub. So it for flexion or extension, whenever there is a complete flexion or whenever there is a complete extension, so it will be a sub. Either it is a sub-occipito-Bregmatic diameter, and it either may be it is a sub-mento-Bregmatic diameter, which represent 9.5 centimeter. I have already told you that whenever bregma comes, it represent 9.5 centimeter. Then for deflexed head, you have to remember that the flexion, deflexed meaning the frontal diameter. So it may be a marked frontal diameter, or it may either may be a partial deflexed head. Partial deflexed head represent the sub-occipito-frontal diameter, and marked deflexed head represent the occipito-frontal diameter. Occipito-frontal diameter is 11.5 centimeter, which is second largest diameter after mento-vertical diameter, and sub-occipito-frontal diameter is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter diameter. Then last but not the least, mnemonic, that is the sub-mento representing the face, that is, it may be sub-mento-vertical diameter or sub-mento-Bregmatic diameter. Sub-mento-vertical diameter representing you the 11.5 centimeter and sub-mento-Bregmatic is 9.5 centimeter. Then let's combine the whole mnemonic in front of you. Then sub-mento-Bregmatic diameter, I told you that whenever, one second please, whenever there is a Bregma come, it is the 9.5 centimeter and it represent the face presentation. When mento-vertical diameter is the largest diameter, mento-vertical diameter is a largest diameter, which is a 14 centimeter, representing the bro presentation. Then whenever there is a Bregma comes, it represent the 9.5 centimeter. Then occipito-frontal diameter or sub-occipito-frontal diameter. Occipito-frontal diameter is pura, meaning O means pura. Pura means 11.5 centimeter, and third largest is 10 centimeter, which representing the vertex diameter. And sub-mento-vertical diameter is 11.5 centimeter, and it representing the face presentation. And for the transverse diameter, there is a mnemonic called Miss Tina so pretty. That is, bimastoid diameter is 7.5 centimeter, bitemporal diameter is 8 centimeter, subparietal diameter is 8.5 centimeter, and biparietal diameter is 9.5 centimeter. Then one more thing, that is for the, as you already know that I already told you that for the bro presentation you always have to do C-section, because it is the largest diameter which cannot pass through the maternal pelvis. Mento-vertical diameter is 14 centimeter. For face presentation, it is the sub-mento-Bregmatic. As you know that for the Bregma it is 9.5 centimeter. For vertex it is sub-occipito-Bregmatic diameter. For the Bregma it is 9.5 centimeter. And deflex occipito means pura, that is 11.5 centimeter. It is a second largest diameter after mento-vertical diameter. Then one more, let's compile and revise it. For the vertex presentation, I already told you that it is a flexed position. And one second please, vertex presentation is already known as flexed attitude, and it represents sub-occipito-Bregmatic. Whenever Bregma comes, there is 9.5 centimeter. For the bro presentation, deflexed head, mento-vertical diameter, which is a 14 centimeter. For vertex flexed presentation, it may either be sub-occipito-frontal diameter or occipito-frontal diameter. O means full meanings 11.5 centimeter, and sub-occipito means 10 centimeter. Then next will be the face presentation, which is sub-mento-Bregmatic diameter. Whenever Bregma comes, it is 9.5 centimeter. It is quite easy to remember you that. Again, compilation, what we have studied, whenever Bregma comes, it is the 9.5 centimeter. What do you mean by the vertex presentation? Whenever vertex come, complete meanings the sub. Whenever complete represent complete, either it will be, one second please, either it will be complete flexion or either it will be complete extension. There is a sub, as I will told you that. And whenever Bregma comes, Bregmatics, it is 9.5 centimeter. It is 9.5 centimeter. Mento-vertical diameter is 14 centimeter, which is the largest diameter, which representing the bro presentation. Then next, last slide, that is the for the well flexed head representing the vertex position. Vertex presentation means sub-occipito-Bregmatic diameter, which is 9.5 centimeter. Less well flexed head, that is partially extended head, that is occipito-frontal diameter, which is 11.5 centimeter. Extended bro presentation is a occipito-mental, which is the 14 centimeter, not 13 centimeter, which is a 14 centimeter. And hyper extended face presentation is a sub-mento-Bregmatic diameter, which is 9.5 centimeter. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe, tell your friends to watch this video.